Get my chocolate pudding?
I got that one.
Alright. Alright, well, it was good doing business with you.
Hey, I didn't finish it all.
Oh. I only got 10 more bucks, so I might have to put something back. I don't know if I can afford tomato sauce today. You put that back for me? I can't afford that one.
Don't worry, sir. Here's $1 for you to get your tomatoes.
Oh. Make sure you get my crab and my plum on there too. I really like plums. Alright, what's the damage? What's it come to?
Are you going to be using your own bag or buying bags? Ask him. Ask him that. Ask him if he's going to buy a bag or use his own bags. So here in California, we charge for bags.
Oh, we got another shopper too after me. You better hurry up and ring me up. Here's my $10. Give me all my foods. Alright, I'll see you later. Thank you.
Oh, he's got a lot of stuff.
I'll get my stuff. You get his stuff and ring him up.
Oh my goodness. Holy smokes. He's got all his favorite foods.
I'll put my stuff up.
You guys are funny. When you go to the grocery store, you can't lift the whole cart and throw it on it.
Mine?
Hold on a second.
You better put them back on the shelf.
Oh, we're getting robbed.
He's taking all the money out of the cash
All the
register.
money I register.
Tell him only authorized personnel behind the cash registers.
Alright, see you later.